I'm here at the Eldorado Chemical storage in Bryan, Texas. We're going to take a little tour of the building as it is right now. We are about ready to start loading fertilizer. They're putting the last few coats of paint on the interior steel construction, the catwalks, etc. And then it's going to sit over a weekend and we'll be ready to load some fertilizer. The small building on the right is the building for the finer materials. We got a couple bins in there, a couple small bins. And they'll be mostly loaded with just the skid steer or added in with the dump truck. The dump truck will dump the materials in the back of the building and it'll be blown in. You can see this wall here in the back is going to be the divider for the two bins. And the pipes there are going to be where the material is blown in. The doors are insulated as long as the whole building, this thing is air conditioned right now. Feels good in here, doesn't it? Yeah. It's got to be. Alright, here we've got the mixing barrel. The fertilizer comes in from the inside of the building from the weigh hopper, comes into the mixer where the materials are mixed together, and then out onto the truck where it gets taken out to the fields and spread out. This dome has two air conditioners in it. Only one of them is going to be used. The other one's going to be turned off and covered up so that if and when the other one goes out, they can just simply turn the other air conditioner on. This is the weigh hopper. So various materials from different bins will be taken to the weigh hopper where they can mix different chemicals and send it out to the, and then it comes out and sends out to the mixer to be put together. Here we got the catwalk system that's being painted. It gives them access to the distribution equipment. We're now inside one of the larger bins. I believe it's going to be used for nitrate storage. These bins are designed to be emptied by front-end loaders. This door here will drop down when you fill the bin completely, so that there's just a small open space where they can bucket the fertilizer out. Now we're in the back of the building. This is where the elevator tower, the equipment that feeds the fertilizer into the building. You got two ways of getting it in. One is by rail car, which is going to be their preference. You can see that the rail car bin will drop the fertilizer down into a conveyor that's under the ground here. And it'll be fed up into the elevator tower, which brings it up and then drops it into a conveyor that takes it inside the dome. This is the spot in the back of the smaller dome where the finer materials will be dropped, where then they can be blown into the smaller dome. And back here is the elevator tower. Yeah. This is the rotating auger that will bring in material, dump it into the bins. It rides on an I-beam track that goes around the circumference of the building. And this is the conveyor that's from the outside elevator, brings it in, drops it inside the pivoting conveyor, and the pivoting conveyor can then distribute it to all the various bins around the building. I'll tell you what, those guys at Adams did a good job putting this stuff together.